Good morning, museum friends and families. It's Miss Teal from the San Diego Children's Discovery Museum here in Escondido, California. Today we're going to read one of my favorite books. It's called Fruit Bowl by Mark Hoffman. And then you and I are going to go into the garden and see what vegetables and fruits we can find. Hey, fruits! How's everyone doing? All good, said Banana. Fantastic, said Apple. Peachy keen, said the Peach. Full of zest, says Lemon. I was jammed in that bag, said Strawberry. Awesome, and you, said Orange. Wait a second, Tomato. What are you doing here? This is a fruit bowl. You belong in the fridge with the other vegetables. But I am a fruit, said Tomato. Who's he kidding? Nice try, Tomato, but you're being kind of saucy, said the Pepper. And sour, said the Lime. It's not appealing. You'll have to split, said Banana. So, you all know what makes you fruits, right? How we all start out as flowers? Oh, my mother told me I was a beautiful flower, said Apple. My flower was the best in the bunch, said Banana. So would we all be fruits since they come from flowering plants? Vegetables come from other parts of the plant besides the fruit. They come from leaves, petals, stems, and roots. I knew it all along. Welcome home. Are there any other vegetables that are fruits in disguise? Funny, you should ask. These are all fruits. It was a bit chilly in the refrigerator, said Green Bell Pepper. This will be a snack, said the Green Bean. I'm glad we cleared that up. My name is very confusing, said Eggplant. What a pickle we were in, said Cucumber. That fridge was the pit, said Avocado. Woohoo, said the Snap Pea. I was so squashed in there, said the Squash. So you can all stay in the fruit bowl. Hooray! Yay! Thanks, Tomato. My hero. Now, this is cozy. Well, wasn't that fun? There are more pages. Maybe you should get the book, Fruit Bowl by Mark Hoffman, and read the whole thing. But right now, I want to take you out to the edible garden where we're going to be looking for fruits and vegetables. Fruits start off life as flowers, and they have seeds because that's what flowers make for the plants. Veggies come from stems, petals, leaves, and roots. Let's go see if we can find some fruits and vegetables in the edible garden.
Let's look for flowers. We know if we find flowers, we're going to find a fruit. Look what I just found. This beautiful flower. It will turn into a fruit once it's been pollinated by a bee or a butterfly. Let's see if we can find that fruit. I found a really beautiful eggplant. Remember how in the story, Eggplant said his name was confusing, but you can see why somebody would think this is a big, beautiful purple egg. We cook it in an Italian sauce usually, or stuffed. It's very, very yummy. And a lot of people think because it's not sweet, it can't be a fruit. But remember, anything that starts out life as a flower becomes a fruit. So I'm going to pick it and put it into my fruit basket. Wonder what this could be. I'm looking all around. I don't see any flowers. But look what I found. I found a big red root. Do you see it right there? It's a big purple beet. Now you can eat the leaves, but this is usually the part that we skin and cut and put into yummy salads. Guess what? What would it be? Would it be a fruit or a vegetable? It grows under the ground. It's a root. There's no flowers that we can see. So that makes it a vegetable. Here I am. I have my 2 baskets. One for veggies. You can see the great big beet still has dirt at the bottom of its root. And the beautiful little purple eggplant. Let's visit another plant and see if it's a fruit or a vegetable. Maybe you can tell me. Well, I am looking for flowers. I don't see flowers right now. I don't see any fruit right now. It has a big green leaf that we eat. Does that make it a fruit or a vegetable? That makes it a vegetable. I'm going to cut it and put it into our veggie basket. Here they are, enjoying that passion fruit. Way to go, Bucky. Good job. My chickens know all the best food for you is grown from real healthy sources. For more fun online activities, please join us at www.online.San Diego Children's Discovery Museum. Tell them all about it, girls. I hope you had fun during today's activity. I know I've been having so much fun learning new things and finding ways to share them with you, even from a distance. Here at the museum, our goal is to continue offering these free educational resources, but we need your help to do so. Please tune in to our virtual gala on September the 17th from 5:45 to 7 p.m. to support the museum during these unprecedented times. We'll even have a fun performance by Hullabaloo. You can find more information at sdcdm.org/virtual gala. And I thank you